Get installs of your app. You'll now click on Get installs of your app. With the App Installs objective, you'll be able to send people to the store where they can purchase your app. In order to create this type of advert, you'll need to have an app already created. You'll see your app listed there. I created that app on a previous video, but I didn't finish it. I only showed you the introduction part. It's not finished and not ready to be promoted with Facebook ads just yet. Something else you can do is insert an app URL. For testing purposes, I will use an app from the Google Play Store, which is something you can do if you have an app there that's already created. I will copy the URL and paste it here. You'll be able to name your campaign. Then click on Continue. You'll see the Audience section again. As you can see, there are only 3 placement options available to promote your app. You can also see the options to choose all types of mobile devices and all Android devices. Both smartphones and tablets are enabled by default. You can also advertise to specific devices by looking for them by their name. For iOS devices, you can choose its version, Min and Max. For the Budget and Schedule section, it's the same as usual. In the Advanced Options, for optimization for advert delivery, you can decide to deliver by app installs or by link clicks. For bid amounts, you can choose between automatic or manual. If you choose automatic, you'll let Facebook set the bid that helps you get the most app installs at the best price. If you click on manual, you'll be able to enter a bid based on what app installs are worth to you. For when you are charged, you'll be charged by impression or by app install. For advert scheduling, you may find it disabled because you already set that up in the schedule step. On the delivery type, you can choose standard or accelerated, just as usual. Finally, you can give your advert set a name. You can use the default one or change it if you want. Then click on Continue. I'm sure you have seen this before, so I'm pretty sure you know how it goes. First comes the format. There you'll be able to choose how you'd like your advert to look. You can choose to show only 1 image or video at a time in your advert, or you can choose to show up to 5 images at a time at no extra cost. Each format will guide you through a different process to set up your advert. We advise you to learn more about these advert formats in the Adverts Product Guide. With the single image option, you'll see the Media section, where you'll be able to choose the image or video that you'd like to use in your adverts. With the multiple images option, the Images and Links area will appear. You'll be able to choose the images and links that appear in your adverts. I will use the single image option again. I will use Images. Then you'll be able to select what Facebook page will represent your adverts. There is a new option here called Use Page as Actor. You can assign a headline, add some text, add a deep link which is optional, a call to action, and pixel tracking. In the advanced area, you'll notice your Instagram account only. In the advert preview, you'll see exactly how your ad will look on the mobile news feed, on Instagram, and on the Audience Network. Finally, you can review your order and click on Place Order.